see exactly what I'm talking about all this time, especially for all you guys that wanted to know how a DryClip works. Okay, this is gonna be absolutely awesome, especially you guys that have to do a lot of drywall repair, or you are a handyman, or you work for a facility or a maintenance facility or for a building. You're gonna love, absolutely without question, you're gonna love this product. This is what it is. It's very simple. To me at this point, very simple, but it took me a long time to get to this point. Is the only adjustable drywall clip in the market. So with this area over here, you are able to adjust it to the specific drywall thickness that you might be using or that you already have in your house. Even if you are a handyman and you want to repair your own stuff at your home, this is going to make it incredibly easy for everybody and anybody. The first thing that you got to do when you're going to use a DryClip, first you got to pre-cut the damaged area. The easy ways to do that is you measure the width and the height of the damaged area, and you want to cut at least about an inch or 2 inches around additional. So you go and measure a new piece of drywall that has, let's put it, is 6 by 6, and you measure that, you bring that piece over the damaged area, and then you trace it all the way around. You retrieve that new piece, you put it on the side, and then you proceed to cut that damaged area out. And you're gonna cut always on the outside of the line. You don't wanna cut on the inside of the line because you're gonna make the hole smaller than the piece that you wanna put in. So you always wanna cut on the outside of the area. At that point, typically you use a drill, you use wood, and you reinforce this back in here so the new piece can be attached to it. That means that you have to have a saw, a circular saw, electrical saw. You have to have drill, you have to have screws, and you have to have wood. Well, all this or all that is out of the question, no longer needed with DryClip. This is what you do. Once you get the DryClip in your hand, you remove the back protected film from the adhesive. You take it, in this case, this one has a stud right here. So we're not gonna be using or putting the DryClip on this side because there's a stud in the way. Now we don't wanna cut over the stud to try to use the stud because that's more work. So we just cut it flat with the stud. So, and then you go, you put it, and you adjust it. Now you have your first DryClip on place, and you are actually getting there without having to deal with all this mess with work, drills, screwdrivers, and so on. Now the next DryClip, you want to put it right there. Now you get 2. We need 2 more DryClips. Sometimes it's small enough you can use 3, but in this case we're gonna use 4. Again, DryClip, remove the backing, and adjust it. You can actually install it with just 3 fingers. And then the last one, again, you do the same thing. Is this section here, you want to remove this one first. Put it over here. And you're ready to insert your new drywall piece. This will go right in there. Now, you want to remove this one, and you're good to go. Now you're gonna see a little different color because that was one of the ones that were samples that I was using prior, but the official adhesive is the black color. Now you insert your new piece and you're done. Now you're ready to finish. But now, before you start putting your tape or the mesh on top of it, you go over here and you remove that. Then now you're ready to install your mesh, which is going all the way around and do your finishing touch. So all this time, no need for drills, no need for screwdrivers, no need for wood, and no need for saw. So with this product, DryClip, you're actually cutting your work at least 75% less work than you used to have with an old method. So now this video is going to be live. If you have anybody, if you know of anybody that does any kind of drywall repair, or you have anybody that like to do their own handyman at work or at home, just share this video, click like, share this video with them, and tell them to check out this product. Hopefully the product is going to be ready for orders in July 31st. That's what I'm actually targeting to it. And hey guys, how you guys doing? Hi Anna. Hi Valida. Thank you very much for being here. Make sure you guys click like and share the video to anybody that you know. Even for the ladies that like to do and repair their stuff, this is going to make it a lot easier for you to do any kind of repair like this. So I think this I pretty much cover everything with the product, showcase the product. If you want to go back and see the video again, feel free to, as soon as it comes, it's available on Facebook, you can watch the video again and you can share it. Okay, until then, thank you very much, and hopefully by this weekend, not later than Monday, we'll be able to have the professional video. We're gonna be able to have the 3D renderings and everything ready to be able to show you guys in details how this product works.